This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make real tiramisu. First, gather your high-quality ingredients. You'll need 6 fresh eggs, 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese, about 24 crisp ladyfingers, and 200 milliliters of strong, cooled espresso. Don't forget 100 grams of sugar, a dash of marsala wine or rum for an authentic touch, and unsweetened cocoa powder for dusting. These foundational components are crucial for achieving that classic, rich Italian flavor profile. Now, let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Carefully separate 6 egg yolks and combine them with 100 grams of granulated sugar in a bowl. Whisk this mixture vigorously until it becomes pale yellow and thick, forming a Sabayon-like consistency. Next, gently fold in the 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can cause the cream to become too thin. With your cream ready, it's time for assembly. Quickly dip each of your 24 ladyfingers into the 200 milliliters of cooled espresso, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these espresso-infused ladyfingers in the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch serving dish. Then, spread half of your rich mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining cream. The final, crucial step is chilling. Place your assembled tiramisu in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, though ideally, let it chill overnight. This extended period allows the ladyfingers to soften perfectly and all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a harmonious taste. Just before you're ready to serve, generously dust the entire top surface with unsweetened cocoa powder. Then, slice and savor your exquisite homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.